Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to search something on Facebook but the post trap option is missing, don't worry. I will show you step by step how to fix it quickly. Start. Okay, first open your Facebook and now search here United States News. Okay, now search. See, this is the problem, post step option missing. Okay, let's start. And first option, go to your Play Store and now search here Facebook and click on the Facebook and check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated. Okay, back. Second step, go to your phone settings and scroll down and click on the apps icon and now search here Facebook. See, click on the Facebook and scroll down. Now click on the storage and clear check and clear data. Okay, delete the all data. Okay, back and click on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar allow, call logs allow, camera allow, contacts allow, location allow, microphone allow, nearby device allow, and notification allow, and phone option now allow, and photos and videos allow. Okay, back and restart your phone and try open again your phone. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.